Alrighty here. Change the spark plugs on the passenger side on the Jeep JK 2008 3.8 liter engine. So anyway, I just thinking maybe there's a better way of getting at those passenger spark plugs. So this is what I did. This inner well here. If you could see, here's the passenger side wheel, inner well. You have 3 screws that come out. So you got the screw here, you got a screw here, and you got a screw there. Okay, so screw here, and screw here. And then you have these rubber clips right here that pop out. And I just popped them out, and voila, there is, looks like to be easier access to the spark plugs. At least I can reach my hand. I'm sorry, right up in here, like so. Grab, pull, grab, pull. I might have to do a little bit of finagling to get at this one, but I know it's going to be infinitely easier than doing what I thought. So anyway, before trying to going over the top, removing the battery tray and all that. If that works, I'll film that and show you the finished product on that. But this is what I thought, and I'm just passing this on to you guys. And if you know of any other easier ways, put it down there in the comments section. And I'll do a write-up on the tools that I used and in the remarks section, for lack of a better word. Alrighty now, you guys. And again, I'm just showing you a further shot of it. This is what it would look like. Now, I'm not gonna worry about that anyway. But anyway, you guys have a good able craft day. And I'm trying to work smarter, not harder, and hopefully you guys are too. All right, take care.